I think everything starts with the kids, and they're so important. So just to come back and watch them skate here and work on their skating and just have fun doing it, you know?
Like, we both have been there. We both were growing up dreaming of scoring the game-winning goal or playing in that sick game for a gold medal or a Stanley Cup. I remember being in 3rd grade, my gym teacher was an Olympian. Like, how sick is that?
Yeah.
Or like the neighbors up the river are Olympians and gold medalists at that. And so, like, you talk about what a cool thing it is, not just to grow up here and have access to ice, but like how cool to be around people who have been there, done that.
You just don't get that anywhere else.
We've been able to like live out our dream, but it's so fun to come back and see these kids skating.
You won't find a rink this cold in the middle of summer.
Isn't that the truth?
Maybe anywhere in the world.